Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk on very serious matter. It's related to you if you have appeared for BFA CET or we can call it MHAAC CET this year. So it's definitely related to you, or even if you are preparing for BFA next year or something like that, even you are aspirant student, then definitely it's related to you. Please watch this video till the end. This morning I reached back from Nagpur, which was my exam center, traveling whole night after exam, sitting in a very uncomfortable bus because only one interstate bus is in service nowadays after lockdown. Last few days were very hectic, traveling from one state to another, and particularly traveling for this BFA CET, staying and eating in hotels. So I appeared on 18th October. My center was, I already told you, it was Nagpur Government College. Exam was so good, I did very well. Hopefully I'll score good marks. Optimistically you guys too, as we all are preparing and practicing for this exam from last many months. I'll talk about my experiences and the exam later in another video, but as I said at the beginning of this video, I wanna talk something very serious. I don't know where to and how to start. I had come to Nagpur for my exam and stayed in a cheaper hotel there. Before going to the center on 18th early morning, I recorded a video. It was not just to say all the best, but something more, and I never wanted to post it. Now let's watch that video and later I will continue with the topic. Hello friends, it's me Shashikant and I got ready today for the exam. It's the day we are waiting for. Wish me all the best. From the sources I come to know that today's object is bitter gourd, or you can say Karela, or what you call it, bitter melon. A bitter melon. So that's the object if I am not wrong. But what we have to do, even we know what the object is coming, the things are same. Nothing will change. Whatever object they will give, you have to just render it with a pencil. That's it. So if you are facing the exam today, I wish you all the best. As I said, I had recorded this video just before leaving the hotel and going to the exam center. In this video you can see I was telling the topic for the object drawing. What exactly happened night before the exam, means on 17th night, someone called me. That night we discussed about the preparation and exam related stuff. That time I was even making a platform to place the object, and the someone who called me practicing the bitter gourd, Karela practice, and this particular someone revealed that their college teachers and principal already informed them कौन सा topic आने वाला है ऑब्जेक्ट ड्राइंग. इन दिस पर्टिकुलर प्राइवेट कॉलेज देर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हु आर गिविंग MHAAC CET this year, as well as they are already studying in this college some courses like foundation and ATD, and this fine art college is an exam center for BFA entrance MHAAC CET. So after hearing this I was not shocked. I thought it's just an object. I thought it's not a big deal, because if you are even knowing like what is the topic for object, even you know that what's coming in the exam, doesn't make any difference. The object will be in front of you and then only you have to just draw it. You have to see, copy it on your drawing sheet. So next morning I just woke up and got ready for the exam. After that I even thought like I should give you hint. Okay, tomorrow's object will be this, just an hint. Like, thankfully I didn't do that. After the exam I started heading towards the hotel. So this someone called me again to discuss about the general knowledge or theory paper correct answers. I explained all the question answers, and then this someone got 4 answers wrong. This someone told me that their teachers helped them to solve this general knowledge क्वेश्चन पेपर. कॉल पे बात जनरल नॉलेज की चल रही थी, फिर घूम फिर के बात ऑब्जेक्ट ड्राइंग पे ही आ गई. ऑब्जेक्ट ड्राइंग में मज़े की बात यह है कि जैसे कि उसमें लिखा था कि ऑब्जेक्ट को कट करके ड्रॉ करना है, पर इन लोगों ने जो जिनको पहले ही टॉपिक बताया गया था करेला आने वाला है, और उन्होंने पहले से ही करेले की प्रैक्टिस की थी, पर कटिंग वाले करेले की नहीं. तो जब एग्ज़ाम में ये लोग गए तो इन्होंने बिना क्वेश्चन पेपर को पढ़े हुए डायरेक्टली करेला ड्रॉ करना शुरू कर दिया और उन्होंने वैसे ही करेला ड्रॉ किया है बिना कट वाला। When I told this person about this cutting karela and you had to cut that karela, so he expressed the regret and anger over that. So on call, what this someone revealed after this was really shocking. Object was not at all shocking. Shocking was dictating the general knowledge question paper. After that, whatever this person told me, it was completely shocking. This person revealed that they were knowing all the question answers, all the paper, means all what is coming in GK, what is coming not in GK, what is coming in object drawing, what is coming in 2D design, and what is coming in memory drawing. Here I am sharing a screenshot of 17th October, means before the exam day. It's a WhatsApp chat. In this chat, this particular person is showing me his 2D design of bicycle parts. So this person told me he has copied this 2D from somewhere because this 2D has got something 48 or something marks earlier, and the topic of this 2D is bicycle parts. I didn't understand like where are the bicycle parts in this 2D. I in reply sent him my 2D. That's what. He didn't tell me anything about that. He just asked me my feedback over this. So I sent him like okay, 2D should be like this. तो 17 तारीख को ही इन लोगों को सारे टॉपिक्स पता थे और ये लोग उन्हीं टॉपिक्स पे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे। एंड बात यहीं पे नहीं रुकती। इन मेमोरी ड्राइंग दिस स्टूडेंट्स, दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज एंड दिस स्टूडेंट्स were allowed to copy the figures from reference. Last but not the least, finally very shocking and disturbing, screenshots I am sharing with you. After exam, they people clicked the photographs of the exam sheet, exam drawing. This particular college and their students were allowed to take the photographs of their solved drawings. वही उसी कॉलेज में पढ़ने वाले स्टूडेंट्स को जो ATD या फिर फाउंडेशन पढ़ रहे थे, उनको पहले से ही टॉपिक्स बताए गए थे 2D डिज़ाइन का, मेमोरी ड्राइंग का और ऑब्जेक्ट ड्राइंग का। उनको मेमोरी ड्राइंग में रेफरेंस का भी यूज़ करने को दिया गया। जनरल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चंस उनको पूरे टीचर्स ने बताए और उसी के साथ साथ एग्ज़ाम होने के बाद उनको उसके फ़ोटोग्राफ्स भी क्लिक करने दिए गए। तो ये सब सारी चीज़ें इस कॉलेज में हुई है और एक हम और आप जैसे लोग हैं जो ईमानदारी से अपनी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे। इवन यहाँ तक कि यूट्यूब में देखा गया है, मेरे कमेंट्स जो मैं पढ़ता हूँ वहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स को टॉपिक तो छोड़ो, इवन ये भी नहीं पता होता है कि ड्राइंग शीट की साइज़ क्या है और उसमें चारकोल यूज़ करना है या पेंसिल यूज़ करना है, ये सब भी नहीं पता होता। और इन स्टूडेंट्स को पूरे के पूरे टॉपिक्स पता होते हैं, पूरे के पूरे क्वेश्चंस पता होते हैं, पहले से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे होते हैं, टीचर्स उनको फीडबैक्स दे रहे होते हैं और इवन जनरल नॉलेज की भी कोई टेंशन नहीं। टीचर्स इनके पेपर भी सॉल्व कर रहे होते हैं या फिर इनको डिक्टेट कर रहे होते हैं। मेमोरी ड्राइंग में इनको रेफरेंस का यूज़ करने दिया जाता है। इतना ही नहीं, एग्ज़ाम के बाद इनको फ़ोटोज़ भी क्लिक करने दिए जाते हैं या फिर करने लगाते हैं, वॉट एवर इट इज़। तो धन्यवाद ये वीडियो देखने के लिए। इस वीडियो को अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें जो इस बार CET दे चुके हैं या फिर आगे आने वाले ईयर्स में CET की प्रैक्टिस या फिर जो प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, और मुझे सजेशंस में बताएं कि हम इस बारे में क्या कर सकते हैं।